This eyebrow are going to stay longer or until I wash off my face. So I'm going to use a soap on this as my eyebrow gel, and the good thing about soap is that it's going to give me a mattifying look. The soap I'm using is Menengai soap, or you can use any other bar soap that you have. So I went ahead to spray it with water, and I waited for it to be tacky, a little bit tacky, before I brushed it on my eyebrows. So that's how I'm brushing my eyebrows, upwards and backwards, not just upwards and then backwards. That's it. Then to the other eyebrow, I took a little more soap. It wasn't tacky enough yet, but it's okay. I'm just brushing off. Then after that, I'm going to leave it for a minute or two for it to dry out. That's it. And then I'm going to fill in where I don't have much hairs. I'm creating hair-like structures. Then I went ahead to powder my eyebrows. Like I really want it to look matte, like dry, not shiny. I didn't want a shiny eyebrow. So I went ahead to outline my eyebrow. Then to the other eyebrow. By the way guys, my name is Wendy DIY. You can like this video and subscribe to this channel, and also click that notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. After that, I'm going to put a concealer. I'm cleaning the eyebrow with the concealer 2 shades lighter than my skin tone. And using a concealer, you have to be keen. Like, don't rush with the concealer, because any mistake you're going to mess up with our outline. And messing up with the outline, it means messing out with the look, the eyebrow look. Like it's going to change the shape. So just be careful and keen, don't rush. Just trying to blend in the concealer well, then blend with a brush. Make sure to blend really well so that the concealer can blend in with your skin. Just continue blending. Rosina Sharon's blend game. Then to the other eyebrow. Before I did the upper part of the eyebrow, I went ahead to conceal the other eyebrow because I wanted it to look at least the same with the other eyebrow. I didn't want to finish one brow for me to come to the other eyebrow. Just want to go step by step, this eyebrow to the other eyebrow until I finish. That's it. Then I'm going to outline my top part of the brow. I'm using a black eye pencil, but you can also use another color, brown or dark brown. But of late, I've been so much into black eye pencil. I don't know why. I used to love using brown eye pencil, but I just discovered that black eye pencil also looks good on me. Then the concealer, we're just concealing the top brow. Just careful, again careful. And as you can see, I didn't conceal the front part. I I went on an inch back from the start of the eyebrow. Don't know if you can understand or just went ahead and blend the concealer well. Blend again. You can use a beauty blender. I also love beauty blenders, but I didn't have at that time. Look at that, it's giving. But I really love blending with beauty blenders, but you can also use a brush, but I prefer beauty blender. So guys, be careful with the concealer. Look at my look. That's it. I'm going to stay with this one for a longer period compared to if I didn't pull the soap, and it's looking matte, like it looks dry, not shiny. I hope you also try to create this look. It's really beautiful. You can also create a thinner eyebrow if you like. I'll show you how to achieve a thinner eyebrow look on my next video if you're struggling to get them thin. These were a bit thick, but I really love them. Thank you for trusting the process. I hope you try this out. See you on my next video. Bye.